My name is Teacher Blake. What's your name?
My name is Nick.
Nick, how old are you?
I'm very cute.
Very good. Nick, how old are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Very good. Are you 4 years old? Are you 5 years old? How old are you?
I'm 7.
Very good. All right. Nick, can you spell your name?
N-I-C-K.
Very good, Nick. All right. Read the story.
How is the weather? Is it sunny? What are you wearing? I am wearing a dress. What is Grandpa wearing? He is wearing a shirt and pants. Oh, now he is wearing a shirt, pants, and salad.
All right, Nick. What is this?
T-shirt.
Very good. Can you spell T-shirt?
T-S-S-I-R-T.
Very good, Nick. Excellent. Nick, can you spell skirt?
And shop.
Very good. Can you spell skirt?
Skirt.
Skirt. S.
Shop.
Good. Can you spell skirt?
Skirt.
Yeah. Can you spell S?
And shop.
Very good. All right. What is this?
The rest.
Excellent. Can you spell dress?
T-R-E-S-S.
Very good, Nick. All right. Can you spell shirt?
S-S-I-R-T.
Very good, Nick. Excellent. All right. What is this?
Sweater.
Excellent. But what about
A jacket.
very good. Can you spell jacket?
J. I.
A.
S. I. E.
Nick, can you spell cap?
C. A. B.
Very good. Good job, Nick. All right. What is this?
Hat.
Can you spell hat?
S-A-D.
Excellent. Very good. What are these?
Pants.
Very good. Can you spell pants?
B-A-N-T-S.
Excellent. Very good, Nick. All right. Nick, can you spell socks?
S-R-C-K-S.
Very good, Nick. What's that? What are these?
Boots.
What about shoe?
Shoes.
Very good. Shoes. All right. Can you spell shoes?
S-S-R-E.
Close.
S.
Very good. All right. Oh.
O.
Very good. All right. One more. Can you spell glasses?
Glass.
Mm-hmm.
He là A S S E S
GL.
Alright, Nick, what is she wearing?
She wearing a sweater and pants and handbag.
Excellent, good job. Alright, Nick, what is he wearing?
And he is wearing a sweater and pants and shoe and cap.
Very good, Nick. Alright. Nick, what are you wearing?
He wearing a blue t-shirt and short.
I'm
And I'm wearing a blue and t-shirt and shorts.
Good, alright. Now, what are they wearing?
You,
They.
they,
What are they
I'm
wearing?
wearing a shirt and short and shoe.
They are wearing.
They are wearing a t-shirt and short and shoe.
Very good, Nick. Alright. Woohoo! Thank you. Goodbye. Very good, Nick. Excellent.